Grammar, page 107. Today we're going to talk about ER and EST. When we add those to the end of a word, it changes the word into something else. Add ER to an adjective to compare two people, places, or things. Do you remember what an adjective is? Right, it describes a noun, which is a person, place, or thing. So we're going to use ER to compare two people, places, or things. And we're going to add EST to an adjective to compare three or more people, places, or things. Something that I use to help me remember is ER has two letters, and we compare two things. If we have EST, there are three letters, and that's when we compare three or more. Look at the directions. Write the adjective that completes the sentence correctly. Number 1. Of all our kites, Al's has the blank tail. Is there two or three or more? I need to know if we should use the word with longer or longest. Of all our kites, Al has the blank tail. Right, we're comparing three or more. Of all our kites. So we're comparing all our kites and Al's. So that's three or more. Go ahead and write longest on the line. Then look at number 2. This is the blank spot in the whole park. We have two words, highest or high. We're comparing three or more things. We're comparing this spot to the whole entire park. So we need to pick the word highest. This is the highest spot in the whole park. Go ahead and complete 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. I'm going to go ahead and read them to you first. Number 3. The wind is blank now than before. Pause the video if you're still working on 3. Number 4. Kim's kite is blank than my kite. Pause the video if you're still working on 4. Mine is the blank kite of all in the sky.